Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to prevent group admins from adding other members on WhatsApp. If you want more control over who joins your groups, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Look for the green icon with a white phone inside. Step 2. Tap the group you want to modify. Choose the group where you want to prevent admins from adding members. Step 3. Tap the 3 dots at the top right of the screen. This will open the options menu for the group. Step 4. Select Group Info from the menu. This will take you to the group settings. Step 5. Tap Group Permissions. Look for the option that allows you to control group permissions. Step 6. Turn off Approve New Member. Toggle the switch to disable the ability for admins to add new members without your approval. By following these easy steps, you can take control of your WhatsApp groups and prevent admins from adding members without your consent. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.